Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2015, it's a Ford Mustang, and we're going to be resetting the oil maintenance reminder light. When you start the car up, the light pops up on the dashboard that says oil change required. So after you do the oil change, you need to reset the light so that it'll keep track of the mileage for you for the next time you need to change the oil. So let's get in the car, and we're going to reset that light, and we'll send this car out the door. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to get in the car and you're going to close the door. You're going to not step on the accelerator. You don't want to start the car. You're going to turn the key or the push button to the on position. You're going to see all your lights come on and it says oil change required. Now we don't want to start the vehicle, but you're going to come over to the left side of the steering wheel here and you're going to hit OK. And we're going to go to settings. And then you press this right button on here for the settings. You're going to go into settings and you're going to see it's already highlighted on vehicle. If it was not highlighted on vehicle, you would see these buttons right here. You would press these buttons and you continue to press them until it pops up on vehicle. Once it hits vehicle, you press the right hand button. You get the oil life reset on the dashboard, and again, if you need to, you scroll up and down as needed. Oil life reset. And we're going to hit the right side button because we want to enter the oil life reset. And now you can see the percentage is at 0. So you press and hold the OK button and you'll see it reset to 100%. Very simple. Alright, we'll go through one more time just so you know. You get in the car, you press the button to start the vehicle, but you do not step on the accelerator. Your lights will come up on the dashboard, and once everything is okay, then you're going to press the OK button here, and you press it, and just keep pressing it until you come up to the menu like this. Now, if you're up at that location right there, you just click down on these buttons until you click it down to the settings. And then you're going to press the button on the right side of the steering wheel. You're going to enter the settings. You're going to see it's already on vehicle, but if it was not on vehicle, you can scroll as needed till you get to vehicle. You press the right side button. Then you want to enter the oil life reset. You press that right side button again. And now we did reset it before, but you would actually press and hold the OK button, and it'll reset to 100%. That's it. You're all set. Now when you start the car, no more oil change required light. Alright, if you have any questions, you run into a problem, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to talk to anybody about anything. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. That's right.